Hi there, I'm Chef Alex Lazik and welcome back to Eat the World. And today I'm gonna go fishing. Now last year I was lucky enough to be able to go super remote fishing on a river in northern British Columbia, but I didn't have that luck this year. So I decided to get a fishing charter and go out on the ocean and catch some salmon. Now I've never got a fishing charter before. I've never been out fishing on the ocean before, so this was kind of a new experience and I was pretty apprehensive about it because I knew that everybody else on the boat grew up in this local area surrounded by the ocean and they know exactly what they were doing, but I had no clue. So I was kind of scared, and in my mind, if you feel apprehensive and anxious about something, it means that you're pushing your comfort zones, and that's exactly what I wanted to do, and that's exactly what I intend on doing as much as I possibly can. So I packed up my anxiety and I just sucked it up and off I went, and this is the adventure that I had, and it was spectacular. Now before I get started, if you could please hit the like button, comment and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Every time you guys do that, it works with the YouTube algorithms and then my video gets shown more, so please like, subscribe. I'm on my way to getting monetized for my channel, which is a big deal for me, so I really would appreciate the support. Because this stuff, especially going on a fishing charter, isn't the cheapest thing to do. So please, like, subscribe, comment, I'd appreciate it. Well, it's 3:30 in the morning and I'm never up this early, but today I'm going fishing. I've booked a charter and we're gonna go fish for some salmon, so I'm gonna get started. Got a drive ahead of me and then I gotta find the marina. All right, I'll see you soon. So I made it down to the beautiful eerie darkness of the marina and caught up with the people and our guide that will be taking us out on our trip. We headed down on a 24-foot kingfisher to our first stop to drop a crab trap. The first thing that got me was the sheer, pure, unspoiled beauty of this amazing location near Port Alberni in British Columbia. Aaron, our guide, baited up the crab trap and took care of everything and threw it overboard and got us set up for the day. And then we were off to go find our salmon. The great thing about having a guide is they know everything backwards and forwards, inside and out, and they know exactly where to go. And Aaron knew this place like the back of his hand and knew exactly where to take us to catch some fish. Aaron baited the hooks and set up our lines using a downrigger, and before we knew it, we'd hooked our first salmon.
Reel down the flasher. Reel river, go, go, go. Hold them out this way, and then lift up. Up. Wait. Out to the side. There you go. There's another one on the other side.
And before we knew it, it was all on with the second line that was in the water. So there's two fish going at once.
Don't reel anymore.
Woohoo!
Yes!
Yeah. Good job.
With Rebecca's fish safely on board, Aaron turned his attention over to Lee's fish, who was up next to catch his.
Coming up now.
Nice.
Fish on, eh? Watch that throttle. Oh, that's a good one. So you don't want to come up here where she was. 20 plus that one.
Now make sure you stick around to the end and watch how I prepare the salmon that we've caught.
You just want to back up.
And make sure you click the link at the end to see the recipe that I made.
Not yet. No, not yet. Wait. Let him in there. He's gonna run. Okay. He's almost gonna give up. So lift him. Lift him up. Up. Oh, wow. You can see me with the net, eh?
That's a big fish. And what a beautiful, huge Chinook salmon it was.
Oh, that's
Holy shit!
all right!
Then it was my turn and the pressure was on. I'd actually
hooked one but lost it because I did a noob mistake and lost my bull rig and snapped the line. But I'd landed my second one here and the game was on.
Flowers back on, I would think they are.
Thank you.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Didn't coming. Didn't coming.
Got go in? Should pull him in?
Not yet.
But after a short battle with this fella, I managed to land him, and what a beautiful Chinook he was.
Oh, you're the man.
Yeah! There he is! Oh, that's so beautiful.
And then when you gift up, then you start pulling him again. Yeah, and you could palm it too a bit, right?
And then it was John's turn, and he was having a bit of a battle with his own Chinook. And it was pretty exciting, but he managed to get that fella in as well. And we all had our first catch.
Going on that side. Yeah, he's going on that side.
You see there's lots of pressure on that rod. When he starts bending that rod like that, you have to let him go. I know when that rod starts. Hold on. He might try and dive under the boat too. Okay. Wait. Okay, reel down to the.
Quiet, Albert.
He's gonna run, let him go. Oh. Yeah.
And he's in. Nice one. Oh, wow.
Eddie.
Wow!
There we go.
Oh,
Gotcha. All right.
nice one, Beck.
We would spend the next few hours trolling around, trying different fishing spots. I found it totally fascinating, and we all managed to catch our limit in salmon, which was 2 each. And we were all fantastically grateful and had a great time.
Lift. No, he can see me with the net. Lift and back up. No. Lift. Okay, then. Woo!
Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Pull some slack
Me,
out.
that's good.
Bring him home, buddy.
Gonna go on the other side.
Yeah.
Lift.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, silver.
Ready to go?
Spring.
No.
Spring.
The sun came out and it was a beautiful day, but before long it was time to head back and check our crab trap. Aaron pulled the trap up for us, and to our surprise, we all have a crab to come away with. Once they were on board, we had to sort through them to make sure we kept only the males, and they'd have to be of specific size. So we each managed to come away with a Dungeness crab each, which were absolutely delicious.
See the difference?
Yeah.
That's male. That's a female.
Lighthouse,
Yeah.
maybe.
And then
Honey hive.
Honey hive, right.
That one's too small.
Okay. Couple males anyway.
before we knew it, we were back in the marina, sorting through our catch, and Aaron filleted them for us. And that was the end of the day. We all had a great time and came away with some pretty amazing seafood.
So we just had the most amazing day out in the ocean catching Chinook salmon or spring salmon, and we got some Dungeness crabs, and this is just so delicious. I just having my first bit of Dungeness crab in beurre fondue or garlic butter, and it is just beautiful. And this salmon, like, I've just done it really simply with a little bit of a rub and kind of seared it in a frying pan with some butter and garlic, and anyways, this is just out of the ocean and I've just dropped half of it. But seriously, this is so beautiful. I'm so grateful. Look at this salmon that I caught yesterday. This side is going to become some lox or cold smoked salmon. This is going to be portioned off and backpacked. And this back here is going to be smoked salmon. Look how thick and huge these fillets are. Beautiful, wild BC salmon. Amazing. So, this year with my salmon, I've portioned off about a quarter of it, maybe a little bit more, into dinner-sized portions. Oh, with the other bit of it, I'm gonna do smoked salmon. So here I've got some brown sugar, some soy sauce, garlic powder, and garlic, and this is gonna go into the smoker this afternoon. Here's the salmon all out of the marinade, and the brine I should say, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at some of these pieces though, they're just huge. Size of that fillet. Such beautiful fish. Anyways, we're going to let this dry and form a skin, and then we're going to stick it in the smoker for a few hours. And it's smoking time. If you can see, the salmon is now sticky and formed a pellicule. That's what we want, so the smoke will adhere to it a lot better. And we are off. Let's have a quick peek. Smoking started. We'll give this in there for a few hours and then we'll be ready. And finally, my cold smoked salmon is done. And look at that color. It's so beautiful and the texture is beautifully firm. Secret is to cure it for at least 2 days. So 2 to 3 days, depending how big it is. This was about 3 days, and this is the best. Seriously though, look at this beautiful cold smoked salmon. It is just absolutely stunning. So gorgeous. I'm so happy with the results, and it tastes amazing. Legendary stuff. That was it. That was my fishing adventure, and honestly, you know, I was pretty terrified to begin with when we first got on the boat. I was like, these guys know what they're doing, I don't know what I'm doing, I messed up once, but now I know what I'm doing to a certain extent. I'd be comfortable to go out there again and give it another go, and that's what doing new things is all about. Push your comfort zones, do something new, and you're gonna have the most rewarding experience, I promise you. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. I'd really appreciate it because, like I said, this really does make a big difference for me when you guys do that. So please, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time.